Hi, it's time for an unboxing video. We haven't done an unboxing video in a while. This came in actually today, and we're looking forward to it showing up. Let's see what we got. Well, we got a lot of newspaper. We're going to throw it on the floor. Inside, got the item. A lot more newspaper. That can go over there. Let's go ahead and open this up carefully here. This is an all-important eBay find. It was too good of a deal to pass up. Not packaged too badly, however, it does seem to have gotten bent somewhat. Fortunately, it's aluminum, it's reasonably thin, and I don't think it'll be that hard to straighten it out just a little bit. I tell people all the time that when you ship intercoms, don't put a 17-inch intercom in a 17-inch box because something's going to get bent. Of course, since it was an eBay sale, the guy didn't want to spend even $1 more on shipping than he had to, so it got squeezed into an old Amazon Prime box. But it'll be alright. So what did we get? You may have seen, if you were paying really close attention, this is a Rittenhouse intercom. And this is actually a Rittenhouse model RCM1. And I found this about a week and a half ago or so, and couldn't really pass it up because if you've been following along, we've been working on a Rittenhouse RCM4, and this was very reasonably priced. Very reasonably is like it was almost giveaway in my opinion, but there were some intriguing things about it. First, it does have all the knobs, so I think we should do it justice here a little bit. This goes here. It's actually got knobs with metal inserts, it seems, at least to some degree. Not sure where everything goes exactly. I think that goes there. And that goes there. And this one probably goes there. Then there's a bunch of screws. And the other thing that was kind of nice about it was that it came with the wall housing. If you have a wall housing, that opens up more possibilities for videos and things. And I thought that was kind of good. It says remove transformer mounted here for shipment only. So apparently the transformer gets mounted in the corner up here. It doesn't have a transformer. We can work around that. Wall box for Rittenhouse RCM1 master station. Important. Do not connect this equipment to any other power supply other than the number 32 transformer supplied. See instructions. Wow, they're asking a lot if they expect people to read the instructions. Connect ground wire here. This is some kind of support strap, hook, something or another, I imagine. Let's put this out of the way. And here's our little RCM master station in all its glory. It is an AM only model. It's not FM. None of that FM stuff. This is like the old school days. So we have an on-off volume control here. This would be for the master speaker volume, I think. We have room control switches down here. It doesn't say, I assume these are on and off, even though it doesn't say on or off, so. But it is all transistor. We have radio volume. Oh, that's also an on and off. Oh, this is intercom volume on and off. And this is radio volume on and off. And then we have our tuning dial, and we have our intercom control switch, spring-loaded for talk and L for listen. RMC, don't know exactly what those means, but we'll find an owner's manual for it somewhere, or we'll figure it out. One of the things that I found interesting is that terminal strip on the back, AB, 1 through 8, and then antenna, front, rear. Oh, it's got a built-in door chime too. Where is it? It's down here. See if we can make it go. So this was something on the RCM4. It has a door chime also. I'm going to take the knobs back off and take the faceplate off. We don't want to bend it any more than the chipper did. So having a doorbell built in obviously was an original idea that they came up with. Let's see if we can find maybe a date code somewhere here. Not seeing anything yet. Let's put the magnifiers on. That always helps. One of the things that intrigued me on this was there are labels on the back. This one shows the internal wiring layout for the master station, how all the, not for the electronics, but how all of the different assemblies and the terminal board and the switches and everything, how everything is wired together. And this one over here is radio tuner circuit diagram and amplifier circuit diagram, like that. This is one of those hand-drawn schematics with the really good printing on it, as people used to do. All resistors half watt, 10%. Capacitors all rated in microfarads unless otherwise specified. All disc capacitors 50 volts unless otherwise specified. All voltages taken with vacuum tube voltmeter under no signal conditions. Positive with respect to chassis unless otherwise noted. They even give you some circuit information. I like that here for the amplifier, where you've got, looks like 12 volt transformer, panel light, switch 2 on and off, external volume, something hard to read, preamp, driver, push-pull output. It's relatively simple. You even have transistor numbers on here. It uses, preamp is a 2N38 or a 2N408, and the driver is the same. And the output transistors are 2N320s, a pair of them. It goes through an output transformer to the speaker. Unfortunately, there's anything that has really a date. The sticker has a number on it, as you would expect. The sticker is an R123-337, but that's not really a date. How about on this one over here? Let's take a look at this one. This is an R12333, could be 2, could be 7, hard to read, so small. Uses quarter amp fuses only, which looks about right. I'm trying to come up with a date code somewhere on here. I'm going to say probably 1961 or 1962. There are some audio coils here, which are 119, and then it says 61-30, which could be 30th week of 1961. This one says 61-39. That one says 6139. GE transistor. Got a capacitor here, guaranteed for 1 year. Can't really tell what kind it is. They always sit them upside down so you can't read the manufacturer. Don't know. It's a real simple little AM tuner, but no definite date code. But I would say 1961 is probably about right. Serial number 9395. So I don't know, 9,395 could be. Got a nice metal, perforated metal grill. It screws onto the chassis. It's reasonably heavy too because it's all steel construction. It's got a 2-note, 2-door chime, so ding dong and ding for the rear door. It's got a small little, looks like 4-inch speaker cone. Your amplifier and stuff down here. Don't see the output transistors. This is all tuner here, and this is all amplifier down there. What were the output transistors? They are 2N320s. Can't really see down in there well enough to know. But regardless, it's an interesting little pup. It's very simple, but also it's kind of dirty. If you cleaned it all up and washed this and got rid of the dust and stuff out of the holes, it would look a lot better. It looks good, and if it was straightened out a little bit and cleaned up and cleaned the knobs and everything, it would be perfectly useful. That's an unboxing of a Rittenhouse RCM1 AM only radio intercom master station. Hope you found this interesting, and perhaps for someone it will be helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up on YouTube because that helps us just a little bit. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.